Battery chargers maintain battery health, prevent unexpected failures, extend battery lifespan, and ensure vehicles start reliably after long periods of inactivity. Today's video is about top 5 best battery chargers for vehicle maintenance that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Adbeo Smart Car Battery Charger. This 10A 3-in-1 battery charger is an excellent choice for anyone looking to charge, maintain, and extend the life of their vehicle batteries. It supports a wide range of 12V battery types, including AGM, GL, SLA, VRLA, and LiFePO4 lithium batteries, making it suitable for cars, motorcycles, trucks, boats, and more. The plug-and-play design is simple to use, while 5 selectable charging modes provide flexibility for different battery types and conditions. The bright LCD display clearly shows charging voltage, current, battery level, temperature, and seasonal charging status, allowing you to monitor progress at a glance. Safety is another standout feature, with 8 built-in protections against reverse polarity, overheating, short circuits, overcurrent, and other common risks. Automatic temperature compensation helps ensure efficient charging in both hot and cold weather. The integrated pulse repair function is a valuable addition, helping restore aging lead-acid batteries by reducing sulfation and improving performance. Overall, this charger offers reliable, safe, and efficient battery care for everyday users. Now our second product is Ionfi Smart Trickle Charger. This 12V8A smart battery charger is a practical all-in-one solution for keeping vehicle batteries in excellent condition. It supports a wide range of 12V batteries, including LiFePO4, with BMS, AGM, GL, EFB, VRLA, and flooded lead-acid batteries, making it ideal for cars, motorcycles, trucks, boats, and lawn equipment. Its 8A fast charging delivers efficient performance while remaining easy enough for beginners to use. The backlit LCD display provides clear, real-time information on voltage, current, and charging status, while automatic temperature compensation adjusts charging based on seasonal conditions for reliable performance year-round. Multiple built-in safety features, including reverse polarity, overcharging, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection, ensure dependable and secure operation. A standout feature is the advanced maintenance and pulse repair mode, which helps revive aging lead-acid batteries and extend their lifespan. The trickle charging mode is especially useful for seasonal vehicles or equipment that sit unused for long periods. Overall, this charger combines versatility, safety, and smart battery maintenance into one reliable and user-friendly package. Our third product is Yunhong Smart Car Battery Charger. This 10A smart battery charger is a reliable all-in-one solution for charging and maintaining both 12V and 24V lead-acid batteries. Compatible with AGM, GL, SLA, and flooded batteries, it's suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, SUVs, boats, and lawn equipment. Its compact design makes it easy to store while still delivering efficient charging performance. The charger features an easy-to-read backlit LCD that displays voltage, current, battery percentage, temperature, and charging mode in real time. Automatic winter and summer temperature compensation ensures optimal charging in different climates, while built-in protections against reverse polarity, overcharging, and short circuits provide added peace of mind. A standout feature is the advanced repair mode, which uses pulse technology to help restore aging or idle lead-acid batteries and extend their lifespan. The trickle charging function is also useful for keeping seasonal or infrequently used vehicles ready to start by maintaining battery voltage over long periods. Overall, this smart charger offers dependable performance, strong safety features, and convenient battery maintenance, making it an excellent choice for everyday vehicle owners. Now number 4, CORBOX Smart Trickle Charger for Car. This 10A smart battery charger is a powerful and versatile solution for charging, maintaining, and extending the life of 12V and 24V batteries. It supports lead-acid batteries, including AGM, GL, SLA, flooded, as well as LiFePO4 batteries, making it suitable for cars, trucks, RVs, boats, motorcycles, tractors, lawn mowers, and other equipment. One of its standout features is the dynamic temperature compensation, which automatically adjusts charging performance between -20°C and 50°C for reliable operation in both winter and summer. The clear LCD screen displays real-time voltage, current, battery status, and charging progress, while the intelligent 7-stage charging process promotes faster, healthier charging. Safety is another major advantage, with built-in protection against reverse polarity, short circuits, overloads, and sparks. The advanced repair mode helps recover sulfated lead-acid batteries, while the trickle charging function keeps batteries fully maintained during long storage periods. Overall, this compact charger combines fast charging, intelligent battery maintenance, and excellent safety features, making it a dependable choice for vehicle owners seeking reliable year-round battery care. And our last choice is Nextbee Car Battery Charger. This 12V/24V smart battery charger delivers impressive performance with 15A charging for 12V batteries and 8A for 24V systems, making it noticeably faster than many standard chargers. It supports both LiFePO4 and lead-acid batteries, including AGM, GL, SLA, and flooded types, making it a versatile choice for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, SUVs, lawn equipment, and deep-cycle batteries. The upgraded 9-stage charging system optimizes charging efficiency while protecting battery health. Once charging is complete, it automatically switches to trickle/float mode, keeping batteries fully maintained during long periods of storage. The large color LED display clearly shows voltage, current, charging percentage, temperature, and seasonal charging modes for easy monitoring. Safety is another strong point, with built-in protection against reverse polarity, overheating, overvoltage, short circuits, and overcurrent. The advanced pulse repair function also helps reduce sulfation and restore aging lead-acid batteries for improved performance and longer service life. Overall, this charger combines fast charging, intelligent battery maintenance, and comprehensive safety features, making it an excellent investment for reliable year-round battery care. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.